What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y back with another video, man. Hey, today's video is gonna be a good video. Today I'm dropping a video on how to do the NRG quick release steering wheel system with my Forever Sharp steering wheel. It's a good system and I like it. So I'm gonna let you guys see what I got going on with it. And I'm gonna cut y'all off and cut y'all back on. Let me get this stuff together. All right, hold on. Alright, so here we go. I know y'all seen some of this before, but I'm gonna give it back to you so you won't ask me a million times about the part number. It's the part number right here. It's for the quick release. That's the quick release in there. Boom, this the hub that go on it. That's the part number for the hub. Boom. This right here, the best thing I was waiting on. That's the part number for it. It's the lock right here. I'll explain this later, but we're gonna get started on installing it, and I'll cut you guys on in a minute. Give me a second. Alright, so first things first, make sure you have your steering wheel pulled off. I already pulled mine off. Get you a puller. Pull your steering wheel off. Get you a puller. Figure it out. Alright, got the steering wheel pulled off. This is my horn wire right here. I installed it. I had some trouble with the horn, so I had to mess with it and fix that. But this is where you need to start at right here. Alright. Alright, so yeah, I just slid the hub on here. I haven't installed it. I haven't screwed it all the way down, but make sure you get your horn hole through there. Get your ground hole, get them together. I got it on right now. Make sure the NRG is at the top. You see that NRG at the top, boom. Alright, make sure that's at the top. We're gonna bolt this down, and then we're gonna go to the next step, okay? Alright. Next, you want to get your quick release system. I already took it apart. You take it apart by pressing this button and pulling up with this at the same time. It'll come apart. So it'll definitely come apart. So I'm gonna take this part right here, not this one, but this is the part you need to. You're gonna get that bolted down on the hub and connect the wires, yellow to yellow, black to black. All right, let me do that. Hold on. All right, we back, YouTube. So found out I'm missing some screws. I gotta get some screws. So I said we ain't gonna let this stop the show. I'm gonna still mock it up, let you guys see. So I got the screws in on the quick release. This the bottom part of it. I only got 2 of them in there. Just go to the steering wheel, but it still fits. So we got that in. That's the part you put in next. And I already installed the other part to the steering wheel. This is how the steering wheel look, and this is pretty much it. Once you get that on, you just push it down like this, so, and you on there. You on there. Boom. You feel me? It's on now. Look good to me. When you ready to take it off, you just find the button. And you just, it's hard to do it with one hand. Okay, hold on, wait. Here we go. Oh, they ain't coming. My bad, there you go. And you come off. It's hard to do, it's hard for me to do it with one hand, but you see it, boom, it's off. Now I'm gonna show y'all this other part. Just hold on, I'm gonna cut y'all back on, give me 1 second. All right, so here we have the lock that goes on when you're not using the steering wheel. You just put that on, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta add a key in it. You can take that off. Just push it down. And you lock it in. Hold on, give me a second. It's hard to do with one hand. Give me 1 second. So yeah, after a lot of wrestling with it, it's a certain way it gotta lock in. You gotta twist it until it locks so you can be able to push the lock in with your key. And after that, it's on. It's not gonna come off unless you have that key. It's just gonna spin around that lock. It's a good system. I like it. So, you know, y'all want to get one of these, I gave you the part numbers, and we can go from there. But I like it. It was just something I wanted to show you guys. So, hold on. So yeah, YouTube, if you guys like the, you know what I'm saying, the NRG system, it's dope to me. Go on and copy one, you know what I'm saying? Take a steering wheel off and do what you gotta do, you feel me? I'm with this right here. But Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like, you know what I'm saying? Comment if you want to say something. And we on the road to 500K, man. Sometimes them shops get backed up. You don't know where to start. You got to do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. And we out. Subscribe to the channel, man. Click the subscribe button. On the road to 500.